going to read the next problem. What problem is it?
Number 4.
Number 4. Still on page 49?
Yes.
All right.
The space shuttle traveled at a speed of about 7.6 times 10 to the 3 meters per second.
Wait, 7.6 times 10 to the 3 meters per second. All right, and what is that?
What?
Units. What am I writing down? I'm not just writing down the number. I'm going to write it down. Right, I'm defining a variable. Okay?
The blink of an astronaut's eye lasts about 110 minutes.
All right, what is ms?
Milliseconds.
Millisecond. All right, so what is that? That's 110 times 10 to the negative 3 seconds. Or, what's the better way to say that? 1.10 times 10 to the what? Negative 1 seconds. Right? All right, so that's our t. All right, so the next question is, or the next,
How many football fields? The length of a football field is 91.4 meters.
okay, wait. So we're going to say some unit called football fields is equal to what?
91.4 meters.
91.4 meters. So this is going to be, what would you call this right here? No, because the football field is 100 yards, right? So now we're talking, a meter is 3.28 feet, so it's slightly more than a yard, right? So that's what this, it's the same football field, right? But we're just measuring in different units. In other words, we're using a different label, so we need a conversion factor, right? So what are we going to be doing? Using the label method. All right. So how many football field lengths does the space shuttle travel in the blink of an eye, correct? All right, so what do we have here? We have velocity. Velocity is known. We have time. Time is known. And we're looking for a distance, delta x, okay? That we don't know. We have a relationship among these three variables. It's the only one we've learned so far, right? Which is what? V is equal to delta x over delta t. Okay, is that average velocity or instantaneous velocity? It's actually average velocity, but what do we know about the space shuttle? It's moving at a constant speed, so average is instantaneous. It's the same. They're interchangeable in this case. Okay, so velocity is equal to delta x over delta t. We need what? What is it we're being asked for? Question mark. Delta x. So we have to rearrange this algebraically. Please do not put numbers in right now. Okay? Don't start writing in numbers and then rearranging and calling things that are not xx. Don't do that. Rearrange it algebraically as given. So now, delta x is equal to, multiplied side by delta t, v times delta t. All right? Now, do we have this and this? Now we put numbers in. So delta x is equal to velocity, which is, going back up here, 7.6 times 10 to the third, 7.6 times 10 to the third meters per second. All right, that is our velocity right here, times our time, which is 1.10 times 10 to the negative 1 seconds. That's our time. All right, so what does that give us? Delta x is equal to 7.6. What do these do? 10. This gives us 10 to the 2, right? And this goes away. Everybody okay with that? So we're going to talk about hundreds. 7.600. That's 760 plus 76, 856, 836. Is that right?
Yeah.
All right, 8.36 times 10 to the second, or 836 meters. We don't want an answer in meters. We want an answer in right? Football fields. Now what do we got to do? We got to use our factor label method. 91 point, how many? 4 meters in a football field. Okay? Meters cancel out, leaves us with football fields. That's factor label method. All right, so 836 divided by 91.4, and our units will be in football fields. And what does that turn out to be?
9.1466.
Say again?
9.14.
9.1466. Okay, but now that's got to make us blink our eyes even more than an astronaut would. Okay, because this is astronaut blink of an eye. Okay, you guys are with it, right? Ah, yeah. So delta x is equal to, what would our precision be? What would be the appropriate precision? What are we given here? How many sig figs? 2 sig figs. This was 110. That's really only 2 sig figs, isn't it? This shouldn't be here to begin with, should it? Right? Because that's only 2 sig figs. That should not be there. All right. Wait, yes, that one should. Hey, wait, Mr. C. All right, yeah. The other one should. All right. So this is false precision right here. Well, that was given to us. So we have 2 sig figs, correct? So we got to say 9.1 football fields would be the final answer for that, Gary.